Scruffy, come here. Good boy. Good boy. No, 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 no. Come on, come on. Ay! There's my Instagram. I'm so cute. By the way, we're here at Costco. Lomita? Is it Lomita Street? Carson? In Carson? It's a different setup. We're not used to this. Avocados. Sweet potatoes. Mangoes. Yeah, yeah. I saw it. Is it on this? $6. So we're out of the store and we're here at the food area. The cloud is so pretty right now. It looks like a cotton candy or marshmallows. So pretty. It looks like a painting. And my husband is right there getting some hot dog to go. Really looks different now at Costco. They changed everything because of the pandemic. Okay guys, so habang nandito tayo sa Costco, mag-haul na din tayo. Meron tayong chicken, rotisserie, and 2 dozens of eggs, microfiber towels, and I'm gonna try that, whatever that is. And we have this Swiss Miss on sale. It's $2 off. We got maple syrup. And 2 packs of this yummy Cuban coffee. We got 2 of those. Socks. And we got bacon, bacon. And one of my wish do come true. I got my Instapot. So now we're gonna eat hot dog. Oops, it's so windy. Okay guys, so we made it home from Costco. At ayun, nakapag nap na din kami. Yung background ko, yung bathroom namin dito sa boat. So ayan, nakapag haul na ako kanina habang nasa Costco tayo sa labas ng Costco. Tapos ngayon, eto, pagka-yari ng nap, coffee time naman guys. Tinatry ko yung Cuban coffee na binili namin sa Costco. Okay siya, masarap siya. At talagang strong yung pagka flavor niya ng coffee. So ayan. At ang kapartner ng aking coffee ay egg pie. Nakabili ko sa panaderia. Joke. Gawa ko tong egg pie guys. Bali, upload ko din yung video ng egg pie kung paano ko ginawa. Kasi lagi kong nami-miss yung egg pie. Kasi sa Pilipinas, pagka pumunta ka sa bakery, makakabili ka na ng egg pie. Pero dito dahil walang mga bakery na kagaya ng mga panaderia natin. So ayan. Gawa-gawa na lang tayo. So yun lang guys. Salamat sa time at sa pagpanood ng mga vlogs ko. Salamat sa love and support. At sana magkita-kita pa tayo sa mga susunod na video. God bless for now and bye-bye! God bless you. God bless us. And bye-bye from Scruffy.